Planning an Easter party but don't know where to start? Want a celebration that feels joyful, stylish and unforgettable without feeling overwhelming? Looking for Easter party ideas that work for kids, adults and everyone in between? Wondering how to turn simple details into a magical Easter experience? Then stay right here, because today we're breaking down Easter party ideas that transform your space, your table, and your moments into a celebration everyone will remember. What makes an Easter party truly special? A memorable Easter party blends colour, creativity and connection. Think pastel palettes, playful decor, and thoughtful details that reflect springtime renewal. It's not about spending more, it's about creating an atmosphere where guests instantly feel cheerful, relaxed and welcomed. How do I choose a theme for my Easter party? Start with the vibe you want. Elegant brunch, playful kids party, or cozy family gathering. Themes like pastel garden, bunny brunch, or rustic spring work beautifully. Once you pick a theme, everything from decor to tableware feels cohesive and intentional. If these ideas are sparking inspiration, hit like and share this video with someone planning an Easter celebration. What are easy Easter decoration ideas that make a big impact? Balloon garlands in soft colours, bunny cutouts, and floral centrepieces instantly elevate the space. Layer textures using table runners, baskets, and fabric napkins. Even small details like themed place cards can make your party feel thoughtfully styled. How can I decorate my Easter party table beautifully? Use a pastel tablecloth or runner as your base, then layer plates, napkins, and chargers in soft spring tones. Add fresh flowers, painted eggs, or mini baskets as centerpieces. Keep it balanced. Decor should enhance the table, not crowd it. What's your must-have Easter table detail? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear your ideas. What food ideas work best for an Easter party? Easter menus shine when they're fresh and colourful. Finger foods, mini desserts and spring-inspired treats keep things light and fun. A mix of sweet and savoury options ensures everyone finds something they love without feeling overwhelmed. How do I create a kid-friendly Easter party setup? Designate a fun zone with craft tables, colouring sheets and playful decor. Use bright colours, bunny themes and interactive activities to keep kids engaged. When kids are entertained, the entire party flows more smoothly. For more themed party and seasonal decor ideas, check out our full playlist linked in the description below. What are creative Easter games or activities for guests? Classic egg hunts never fail, but you can elevate them with clue-based searches or colour-coded challenges. Craft stations, DIY egg painting, and small contests add excitement without needing elaborate setups. Interactive moments create lasting memories. How can I set the mood with lighting and ambience? Soft lighting brings warmth and charm to any Easter party. Fairy lights, candles or warm lamps make the space feel inviting. Natural daylight paired with light decor creates a fresh, spring-ready atmosphere that photographs beautifully. Subscribe for more party ideas, seasonal inspiration, and creative decor tips delivered every week. How do I decorate the entryway for an Easter party? Your entryway sets the tone. A simple wreath, welcome sign, or floral basket instantly signals celebration. Add subtle decor elements that guide guests smoothly into the party space with a warm first impression. How can I host an Easter party on a budget? Reuse decor from previous celebrations, DIY simple crafts, and focus on a limited colour palette. Handmade touches often feel more meaningful than store-bought ones. Smart planning keeps your party stylish without unnecessary expenses. If you're loving this content, explore more Easter and seasonal party ideas linked right below. What's the best way to style an Easter dessert table? Use varying heights with stands or boxes, then arrange desserts by colour and size. Keep it visually balanced and avoid overcrowding. A styled dessert table doubles as decor and a conversation starter. How do I make my Easter party feel personal and memorable? Personal touches like name cards, custom favours, or handwritten notes leave a lasting impression. Guests remember how a space made them feel more than how expensive it looked. Thoughtfulness always stands out. Loved the decor or accessories featured? You'll find similar products conveniently linked in the description. How can adults enjoy an Easter party just as much as kids? Create cozy seating areas, thoughtful food pairings, and relaxed conversation spaces. Subtle elegance mixed with playful accents keeps adults engaged while still honouring the Easter spirit. What are simple Easter party favours guests will love? Small treats like chocolates, decorated eggs, or mini plants make perfect takeaways. Keep them simple, themed, and easy to carry. A thoughtful favour extends the joy beyond the party itself. When should I start planning my Easter party? Start planning at least 1 to 2 weeks ahead. Early planning gives you flexibility, better decor choices, and less stress. A calm host creates a better experience for everyone. An Easter party isn't about perfection. It's about joy, warmth, and togetherness. With the right theme, thoughtful decor, and engaging details, you can create a celebration that feels effortless and unforgettable. Start small, stay creative, and let your Easter party reflect the happiness of the season. Like and share this video to support more creative party inspiration. Comment below with your favourite Easter party idea or tradition. Explore our full party decor playlist linked in the description. Subscribe for weekly seasonal decor and party planning ideas. Watch more Easter and celebration videos linked below. Find featured decor and party items in the description links.